guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, this is my NYX Face Awards for New Zealand top 15 look. So our theme was Drop Dead Gorgeous, so I decided to come up with this like creepy gothic queen almost. And this took me so long to do. This took me probably like 7 hours to do. I remade my Mother Nature headband into this like gothic headband, and I've just hot glued on like crosses and skulls and black gems and crystals and flowers, and my look was inspired by the henna tattoo. So when I thought of gorgeous, I was thinking straight away, okay, I want to be like a creepy queen of some sort. I decided to add a little bit of SFX, and I thought, why not add like a lace detail? I was gonna do lace, and then it made me think of a henna design. That's why I've got like henna on my hands and like on my forehead and across my chest. So I hope you guys like this look. So remember guys, I need your votes to get into the top 6 for New Zealand. So if you guys didn't know, the top 6 get to go to a live show in Auckland and showcase another look on another theme. And yeah, that's in front of like an audience. So you can vote for me between June the 13th to June the 15th New Zealand time. And that's from 12 midday onwards. So you can use 3 votes a day. You can select 3 all at once and click vote. On my picture, you'll see it on the NYX Face Awards website. I'll leave the link down below to where you can vote for me. Thank you guys all so much for voting me into the top 15. I couldn't have got here without you guys, but we literally need to go hard for this round to try and get into the top 6. So please vote for me every day between June the 13th to the 15th and use all your 3 votes. All you need is an email address, or you can log in with Facebook. And tell all your friends and family about this competition and to vote for me. That would mean like seriously the world to me. It's cool how I can really take a theme and just think of all these cool ideas and bring my like art to life. It makes me become really creative, and it really pushes me to the limit. So I love that about this competition. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then please do. I'll leave my username here. I'll just remind you guys when to vote, and there'll be heaps of pictures of my look and stuff. So yeah, thank you so much to our sponsors, and thank you to NYX Cosmetics for providing us with all the goodies and for making this thing happen. So if you want to know how to get this makeup look, then just keep on watching. So first I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics Total Custom Cover Drops to put on my skin, and then I'm putting the Stay Matte But Not Flat powder on my face. Now I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics Primal Colors in Hot Pink, and I'm putting this into the crease with a big blending brush, and I'm also packing this onto the lid as well. I'm also putting it underneath my eyes and making sure to smoke it out a lot. Now I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics Hot Singles eyeshadows in white, and I'm putting this in the center of my lid. And now I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics Primal Colors eyeshadow in Hot Black, and I'm putting this on the outer corners of my eye, and underneath on the outer corner, and also I'm putting it in the inner corner of my eye and on the lower inner corner as well. And this is creating like a spotlight effect. Now just grab your blending brush and blend it all together, making sure there's no harsh lines. And now I'm taking the hot pink shade again and putting this in the center, kind of making it look more of a gradient. Now I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics liquid liner in black, and I'm lining the top lash line, and I also put this in the inner corner of my eye to elongate my eyes. And I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean, and I'm putting this on the tight line and on the upper waterline, and I also put on some mascara and false lashes. Now I'm taking that hot black eyeshadow again, and I'm putting this in my eyebrows to darken them up. I'm just really packing it in there. Then I'm taking this NYX Cosmetics blending brush, and I'm putting the hot black shade all over my forehead, really packing it in. You can use a bigger brush if you want this to be done quicker, but I'm just slowly blending it down like a gradient. And then I take the hot pink shade and put it on a bigger brush, and I'm putting this everywhere else on my face, and I'm blending it up into the black. Don't forget your ears either, because you want it to all match your face. Now I'm taking this big NYX Cosmetics brush, and I'm putting the hot black shade on it, and I'm doing a nice chiseled cheek effect. So I'm putting this down the hollows of my cheeks and also around my forehead. I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics Primal Colors eyeshadow in Hot Fuchsia, and I also use this to make a gradient. I wanted at least 3 colors on the face to make a nice ombre effect. I also put this underneath the cheekbones to give it some more dimension, and I also contour my nose using the hot black shade. Now I'm taking the Hot Singles eyeshadow in white, and I'm putting this all underneath my eyes, on my nose, and a little bit on my forehead and chin, just to really highlight the face. And then I'm taking that liquid liner again, and I'm making like some tears. It looks like I've been crying or something, and I'm putting this underneath my eyes. Now I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics liquid liner in white, and I'm putting some dots under my eyes. Now I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics liquid suede cream lipstick, and this is a dark black color, and I'm putting this on my lips, and I'm taking the liquid liner to elongate the lips. Now I'm taking this NYX Cosmetics lip luster, and I put this in the center as well as some white eyeshadow to make like a gradient ombre effect. And now I'm taking a white liquid liner, and I'm putting a nice like lace detail or henna design on my forehead. I just kind of did anything really. I just did a whole bunch of swerves and patterns and dots and lines, and I decided to add some black liquid liner just to add some detail and some dimension. Then what I did was I grabbed some little pearls and I put it all in between the henna design, and I also put it between my eyes and some by my lips, and I also added some more spikes on the side of my cheeks. I stuck them on with liquid latex, and you just want to make sure you really hold them down so they can stick. Now I'm taking a big NYX Cosmetics Kabuki brush, and I'm taking that hot pink shade, and I'm blending this all down my chest, down my arms, under my armpits, everywhere, and I probably did like 2 layers of this, so it was really pigmented. So now I'm taking some liquid latex, and I'm making like a cut shape all across my chest. First I used white eyeliner to draw out where I wanted to put the latex, and you just want to work really fast with this so the liquid latex doesn't dry too fast. Then what you want to do is grab some toilet tissue and put this on top of your liquid latex. It doesn't need to be perfect. I could have spent a bit more time on this cut to make it look even more realistic, but this look took me like 7 hours alone, so yeah, I didn't want to waste too much time. So what you want to do is put liquid latex on top of the tissue, and this is how you create a cut. So you wait for it to dry, and then you cut up the toilet tissue, and then you just separate it with your fingers, and it makes like this cut effect. Then I grabbed that NYX Cosmetics Primal Colors eyeshadow in hot black, and I put this on a small brush, and I'm putting this all in between that cut. It just adds some dimension and depth. Now I'm just adding some contouring to my body, so I'm really making my, my neck muscles, whatever it is, stand out, and also my collarbones stand out, and this just gives a really freaky look. And then I take some scab blood, and I put this all in between the cut, and I also put it around the cut, and I also use it to hide some of that toilet tissue so it doesn't look as fake. Now I'm taking my NYX Cosmetics black liquid liner, and I'm creating some more designs across my chest. So I decided to do a heart in the middle, kind of like Queen of Hearts, I don't know. And then I just do any kind of patterns, lots of lines, lots of squiggles. I had to cut out a lot of this, a lot of my filming time, because literally this video would have been way past 15 minutes. So as you can see here, I did lots of lines going back and forth, and some like little petal shapes and some dots, and I just joined them together with the liquid liner. And yeah, you can do any pattern that you want. I just did anything random really. Then I'm doing like a rose design in the middle of the heart, and this just ties in with my headpiece because I have roses in the headpiece, so I decided to draw some on my arms as well. Then what I did was I stuck diamonds in between the henna, and I also put some white liquid liner in between. I also put pink down my arms and put some dots down, put some henna on my hand, and also shaded in the roses on my arms. And I also put some spikes on my shoulders. As you can see, I just stuck them down with liquid latex. So now onto the wig. I'm putting my wig cap on, and I'm putting this white blonde wig on top. And then I'm tying it up at the back because I think it looks slightly more realistic, and I'm putting on my headpiece on top of that.
And then I put in some black eye contacts.
And this is the finished makeup tutorial, so I really hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to vote for me to try and get me into the top 6 for New Zealand. It would mean the absolute world to me. Like, this is crazy. Like, to get into the top 6 is such a big thing, so I need all of your support. Remember, you can vote between June the 13th to the 15th. Remember, you can use 3 votes a day. You can select the plus button and select 3 and then just press submit and voila, it's done. Remember, I'll leave the voting link down below. Please spread the word to your family and your friends about voting for me. Like, it means so much, and all of your support in the first round like had me blown away, so I just need that same support again for this round. Yeah, let's try and make it to the top 6. That would be like a dream come true. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.